Welcome to the LOC Group Business Advice web series, in which we offer insights on ways to improve market share, increase revenue, and decrease costs. The Trinity of Business. Hi, I'm Phil Swearingen, and in this episode, I'm going to discuss the benefits gained by taking advantage of a system called 5S. In the last several of our episodes, we have been discussing Lean Six Sigma and finding ways to get staff engaged in improving their workplace. Organizations seeking to pursue Lean Six Sigma methodologies are encouraged to execute both large and small-scale projects. Using a 5S program to initiate smaller projects will afford the opportunity to quickly engage more staff into improvement work and allow them to build a quality work environment both physically and mentally. The program title 5S is literal and stands for Sort, Straighten, Shine, Standardize, and Sustain. To elaborate, sort, eliminate whatever is not needed. Straighten, organize whatever remains. Shine, clean the work area. Standardize, schedule regular cleaning and maintenance. Sustain, make 5S a way of life. If you want to improve the likelihood of buy-in and sustainment of the solution, I recommend that those who use the area should be heavily involved in the project from the outset. Benefits to be derived from implementing 5S include improved safety, higher equipment availability, lower defect rates, reduced cost, increased production agility and flexibility, and improved employee morale. To validate the benefits of doing 5S in an area, document the sequence of steps and time before performing the 5S project and then after. The work can even be justified if all you hear from the staff is, "It's about time we did that." To help your organization take full advantage of what a 5S program has to offer, call or write us.